Hello everyone, I'm Dan Meyer, Director of Sales and Marketing here at Pierce Manufacturing. Here at Pierce, firefighter safety is ingrained into our culture and into every apparatus that we manufacture. Today I'm here to talk about our CARE initiative, which stands for Carcinogen Awareness and Reduction to Exposure, and focuses on firefighter health and safety well beyond the trucks that we build. I'm going to talk to you today about a bucket that we started putting on every truck a few months ago, and we're putting on 1,500 total trucks as they leave Pierce for delivery. This bucket is meant to be a reminder and a resource for firefighters to have a plan for gross decontamination. The buckets are filled with digital and hard copies of various SOGs and resources from our partners at Firefighter Cancer Support Network, Florida Firefighters Safety Health Collaborative, and the Sylvester Comprehensive Cancer Center. These groups have resources available to you well beyond gross decon, so I encourage you to visit their websites for the latest in research, local events, and practical first steps in implementing carcinogen awareness into your department. If you want to learn more about Pierce CARE initiative specifically, please visit piercemfg.com. And if you have specific questions on CARE apparatus option content, please contact your local Pierce dealer. We appreciate everything that you do, and remember, protection is an action, so pass it on.